What's up guys, welcome to another quick tutorial, and this one's on how to quickly, simply clean your monitor. And all the equipment you need is a dust rag. It's going to be quite simplistic, it's very simple, but I'm only doing it because I've seen a lot of people clean it with either wet rags or add water, gets inside, ruins a bit of the electronic things, and then the monitor completely breaks, alright? So I'm just going to quickly show you. It's very self-explanatory. Just go on these, dust rag, and then you quite gently go over the screen, takes off all of the dirt. And I must say, I unplugged my the monitor, put it on the floor because I'd rather do it on the floor than lean over my desk and do it. So it just makes it easier. What you want to do is get all sides, all little creases and crevices, get them top, side, get the actual stand, this bit. Alright, there we go, screen's looking a lot better. It does get quite annoying when you're playing a game and you can just see little bits of dirt all over the screen and stuff. So I'm just going to quickly clean it now. Loads of dust back here, get all that, go. And then, beautiful brand new shiny clean monitor. That's all I'm doing, guys. I know it's very straightforward, very simple, but that is what it is, and it's pretty much just a heads up on not to use water, because it does ruin them. It can make you spend more money on getting a new one and that. So that's what it is, guys. Let me know if it worked in the comments. Subscribe, share and like, and thank you for watching. See you soon.